I definitely see.
Okay, hey y'all. It's Sunday, December 29th, 2024 at 1:54 p.m. Dancing off on there. But y'all, this what I'm trying to make right here. She got bacon, but I got sausage. See, there go my sausage. She beat the eggs up. Okay, I got all that. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Yes, y'all. So let's try to make this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so y'all, I took them out, and this what it's looking like. They look darker on camera, but they actually are a little lighter. But oh well, they're not burnt. They look good. They're really hot. So now we're gonna like. Okay, y'all. This is my plate. Yeah, I already know what it is. This, that, and my bottle of water. Alright, y'all. I had put some drumsticks in the oven with some carrots because I'm gonna put it over some rice. I don't want my chicken to fall off the bone, like whatever. But that's how it's looking now. So I'm about to finish adding to it, and then I'll show y'all when it's done. Oh yeah, y'all, I did my hair. Alright, okay, back. Okay, y'all, this what it look like now that I done flipped it, seasoned it some more, added some broccoli, carrots to it, flipped the chicken over, re-seasoned it some more so it can brown like the other side did. So yeah, I'll show y'all when it's done. Okay, y'all. I have finished the food at 9 o'clock. On the dot, it is 9:55. I just let it cool down. And I was over there playing with my nails. With these little weak ass. Try to ugly as hell. But anyway, we're here for the food. Get into it. Ooh. Look at that chicken. Yes, baby. Alright. And then here go the honey butter biscuits I made. And then that's just some that's just some rice. It's seasoned, very well seasoned with butter and stuff. And the seasoning on top, let it marinate. And I really just can't taste this, so it's good. Duh. I want to dip it in the juice. Where the juice at? Oh, there you go. Yeah. I'm gonna put that over my rice. Cut some of my chicken off. Straight it over my rice. Or you can dip your chicken with some barbecue. Or all the other sauce, sriracha sauce, all that stuff. I don't know. But that's what I'm about to do. I was gonna smoke, but I think I'm gonna smoke after. Just eat a little bit and then smoke. So now let y'all watch me make my plate. Hold on. Happy New Year, y'all. I almost went to tip on y'all ass. Hold on, wait. They popping on. They keep showing right here with so many just going. It is January, what, 1st? My birthday in 8 days. I mean, 7 days now. Oh wait, it's some over there, but I can't see. Something going on over there. Bitch. Now that was around the side of the building. Bitch. I can't believe I just caught that. Bitch, I was so girl, I'm way up here on the 6th floor. What if I would have dropped my fucking camera down there? Oh my god. It's some way back there, but I don't know if y'all can see. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, let me shut up. There goes some over there, y'all. Let me zoom in. Y'all see that shit way over there? Oh, that's way the fuck over there. Yeah. Try to clear it up for y'all. That's way the fuck out there, y'all. That's way out there. Yeah. Oh, now you know what? I'm not gonna play with them. Yeah, I'm not finna keep leaning over here playing with them over this rail on the 6th floor. Cause I be damned if this camera fall, bitch. It's over with. That's a long way down. It look like I just saw something moving up there. Ooh, there goes one. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. I got the perfect view, bitch. Woo! Why am I so excited? Woo! Yeah, bitch. There we go, baby. Put your bottles in the air, put your bottles in the air, and your buttons in the air. Oh, hey, hey. I'm twerking, I'm twerking, I'm twerking, I'm twerking, I'm twerking, I'm twerking. Ah! Okay. Woo! 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 Ha ha ha! This is beautiful! Woo! Woo! Okay, y'all. I'm getting scared now. It's too many going. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably so loud. I don't give a fuck. I'm celebrating my motherfucking stuff. And I ain't got my wig on, y'all. And I'm standing up here at this window with my wig off. If y'all see me right now, y'all gonna hang the phone up. And I say, girl, bye. Call me later. I don't blame you. Yes, this is January 1st, 2025. Rest in peace, mom and dad and granny. That was them saying hey. And it was like 4 of them at the same time. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let me stop playing. But nah, that was cool. Look at them, y'all. Oh. Nah, bitch, I'm finna back up now. Hey, them things flying way over here. Okay, I think I'm finna close this door. Okay, yeah, I think I'm finna close this door. Cause they was just going over there. Now they flying way over here on this side. Y'all seen that video on TikTok where they threw the thing? They was like way upstairs on a high ass floor, and they hold the little thing out the window like this, and they tried to make it go. They thought it was gonna go like out there. Try that shit went over there to somebody's house. Not over here, but on the TikTok. Bitch. So I don't play these games. It's fun for a little bit while it lasted. But they keeping me up. That's my homegirl, childhood best friend, grandma. I don't fuck with that hoe no more. And she stay right on that side over there. That building. I don't fuck with that hoe. Coming over here acting like she a friend. Come over here stealing and shit. That's way over there. Now I'm telling y'all, as soon as I lay the fuck down, that's when all hell gonna break loose again. And I'm gonna have to jump up like it was smooth sailing. And as soon as I lay it down and about to fall asleep, that's when all the fireworks was just going the fuck off. So I just jumped up and said, let me get the fucking camera, because at this point I need to film something, because it is New Year's. They say New Year's is really not January. Say it's New Year's for different months for different people, whatever your religion is. So what is our religion if we take okay, let me be quiet. I have no clue. Alright, y'all. I was just about to hang up. Every time. I'm stuck between, do I lay down and go to sleep, or do I close this and still just deal with the noise? I'm still gonna hear it. They having a ball over there on that side too. They go cutting up some more. That wasn't too much of nothing. Now when them bitches start going 5, 6, 7, 8 at a time, then that real big one say boom, girl. I just knew the whole thing. See, that's when it's time to go in the house. When it starts sounding like gunshots, duck, run, drop, roll, bitch. Every man for himself. Oh. So pretty. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I was taking shots earlier. I only took 2 shots. And I was going to sleep. Bitch, I wasn't finna do shit. So wasn't no point in getting drunk. But tomorrow I might turn up. Tomorrow I might get cute. And we're gonna go see, try to go see grandma at the hospital for New Year's. Go see grandma. Tell her Happy New Year's. Check on her. And then y'all, after that, we're gonna go to Walmart. So my first stop will be probably Walmart. Alright, hey y'all. It's the morning time. Last night I showed y'all at 12 o'clock, Happy New Year or whatever, fireworks. It's the next day. Well, it's the same day, but it's morning time. I've been up for a while. I just got out the shower and put some clothes on. Oh shit, yeah, probably. What the fuck is that? Okay, so today is Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. It's 11:58, almost 12 o'clock. It's Oh yeah. Okay, so guess we'll finish this. Well, not finish it, but do a couple shots. Okay, yeah, I'm done.
There might be a lot to do this holiday season. Thanks to Kroger Delivery, you can get what you need.
I'm gonna like this.
Nearby. Plus, our refrigerated trucks ensure your groceries arrive fresh.
I look good in the mirror. I can't feel myself.
Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Crop top, jewelry of the day, every day. And then just got some earrings in, watch. Then I got my little cube with my little links. Then we got these. Oh wait, it's turned that way. Apparently not major anyway. We got little pressy. Well, let me show y'all what it looked like outside. It's beautiful. Can y'all believe we live inside this little circle dome? They didn't teach us shit in school. That's why I used to skip that shit. I will never learn it. I was, but I wouldn't my face too. Oh, excuse me. Listen. I was gonna say, wait a second, I got sick, but it just came.